Meet OpsEdge, an agentic AI-powered maintenance intelligence platform designed to enhance reliability, streamline workflows, and drive smarter decision-making. Leveraging agentic AI, Knowledge Graph, and Amazon's ecosystem, Neptune, Bedrock, Q, QuickSight, OpsEdge transforms and contextualizes industrial maintenance into a proactive, intelligent, and optimizing process. Industrial operations generate vast data, often siloed across organizational functions. By connecting manufacturing data sources such as P&IDs, SAP records, and manuals, we integrate these streams with knowledge graphs and agentic AI, transforming raw data into actionable insights that enhance predictive maintenance, reduce downtime, and optimize efficiency. Meet AV, your agentic AI-driven maintenance assistant, built into OpsEdge to revolutionize industrial reliability.
OpsEdge ensures the right assets get the right attention at the right time, scanning past failures and generating dynamic, focused checklists so technicians inspect what truly matters. OpsEdge ranks work orders by urgency, compliance, and risk. Criticality-based prioritization, compliance checks, data-driven actions. Smart allocation, real-time adaptability. Agentic AI-powered troubleshooting agent, step-by-step guided execution. Automated reporting and approvals, predictive insights, inventory optimization and cost reduction. OpsEdge empowers CXOs and plant heads, maintenance managers, reliability engineers with Gen AI-driven insights to proactively manage assets, reduce unplanned downtime, and optimize operations. Ready to transform? Let's connect.